We guide you through how to setting up Gmail in Microsoft Outlook quickly and easily. So you can send and receive Gmail emails directly from Outlook without any hassle. So the first thing you need to do is to open Microsoft Outlook and click File, then choose Add Account and enter your Gmail email address. Then click Connect. When Google Sign In Windows appears, log into your Gmail account and allow Outlook to access your email so everything syncs properly. If you are asked to choose an account type, simply select IMAP or IMAP to make sure your emails stay synced across all devices. Next, Outlook will automatically configure the incoming and outgoing mail server settings for Gmail, so just wait for the setup to complete. Once you see the confirmation message, click Done and Outlook will start loading your Gmail emails, folders, and labels. After that, you can send emails, receive new messages, and manage your Gmail directly inside the Microsoft Outlook, just like normal Outlook account.